The unique pattern of life is created by deeds and actions shaping the historical fabric of time. Each city in our country is a great path from the past to the future, a path that gives us an opportunity to create at the present. Velikie Luki is an ancient and significant city in Russia, a cultural, historical, transport, and industrial center of the Pskov region. One of the largest enterprises in the region is Transneftemash plant in Velikie Luki. Established in 1985, it is now a branch of Transneft Upper Volga joint stock company. Over the years of its history, the company has transformed from a production service base into a multi-technology, high-tech enterprise that meets the current market requirements. The plant focuses on the development, production, and maintenance of specialized products for construction, operation, and repair of trunk pipeline facilities. Currently, Transneftemash occupies 140,000 square meters and employs 725 people. The plant includes a testing center and 8 manufacturing workshops. The large-size product workshop manufactures units for blending anti-turbulent additives into oil pipelines. This is a new product the plant successfully introduced into production process through its own developments and high technology. Units are 95% composed of components and equipment made in Russia. The unit increases the pipeline capacity by up to 30% without upgrading expensive pumping equipment. Another product of the shop is a water heating unit for heating stations. Designed for heating buildings and structures, the units have undergone a number of design upgrades in automation systems, thermal insulation materials, interior coatings, and exterior plating. The assembly workshop is completing its first industrial prototype of a block container for linear telematics control and monitoring station, which is required at line pipeline sites and is designed to accommodate HV and LV power equipment, microclimate maintenance systems, telematics, communications, and control valves. In 2019, the product will be included in the range manufactured by the plant. Within the import substitution project, the plant started manufacturing crude quality control systems. This is one of the most in-demand products of the plant. The system provides not only accurate pipeline oil metering, but also measures its density, viscosity, pressure, and temperature, as well as water and sulfur content. To improve quality, the plant is regularly upgraded. New design changes in the measurement and control unit block box are associated with improved integrity, aesthetic appearance, and corrosion protection. A robot welding site for pipeline access manholes has also been put into operation in the non-standard equipment shop. These sites are designed for welding any joints and are equipped with a weld joint control system. The blank preparation shop is equipped with laser metal cutting machine, 3D pipe bending machine, crystal gantry thermal cutting machine, and a 4-roll sheet bending machine. A new 4,000 square meter machine shop was launched in 2017 to ramp up production. A high-precision inspection and measuring machine is used to measure components. Many of the components previously purchased in Europe, Japan, and the United States are now manufactured by the plant. The firefighting equipment assembly shop has started manufacturing a new range of firefighting equipment. Assembled products are tested in the plant's testing center. Transneftemash is steadily ramping up production. Over 10 years, the production and sales of finished products have more than tripled. By developing and introducing new types of products, the company successfully participates in the import substitution program, replenishes the budget, and contributes to the economic development of Russia. The plant's sales geography covers both Russia and other EAEU countries. Transneftemash is not just a plant. It is a large team of caring and dedicated professionals who love what they do and actively participate in the social and economic development of the city. Take care of people, nature, holy and historical sites. Relying on the glory of its past, the plant team looks to the future with confidence and keeps on building a better future.